down to the head, and then you can spin this top, and there's a small arrow. You can't really see it because this is worn down. There's small arrows, and you just simply line those up with the hole right here. And the trick is that you should be able to see all the way through to the other side. So then, to restring your speed feed head, once the arrows are lined up with the holes, you simply put the string through the hole and it comes out the other side. Then you even out your string on both sides. Now once you've got your string in, this is the easiest part. Hold the head steady, and the part with the arrows that you lined up with the holes, you just spin that. Now I'm gonna load this up in real time and you'll see how quick this string here actually gets wound up. Now it's not perfect, but for the purpose of the video, I think I counted 23 turns. So that was approximately 10 seconds or so. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to never miss my uploads on lawn care tips and how-to videos.